for days. A rocket zoomed across the sky. Zoom, it flew, oh my, oh my. Chalk and board, let's create a jungle castle or big blue lake. Every stroke brings something new, with colors, joy, and learning too. The teacher smiled, what do I see? A chalk zoo full of birds and bees. Great job, kids, your minds are bright. Your chalkboard's glowing with your light. They cleaned it off and drew again. A rainbow road and dancing train. Their hands were white, their hearts were light. They drew till it turned to night. Chalk and board, pure delight. Magic comes in black and white. Draw your dreams both big and small. With Chunni Munni, you can draw it all.